Hey folks, how are you today? Hope you're having a great day. Andriotis here. I'd like to mention that my new album is out, Remember Me at Twilight. It's available worldwide, so you can check that out. Okay, so let's start off with a new segment today. Today we're going to do more cool jazz blues licks, okay? I had a segment a while back which was just cool jazz licks. This is kind of like a follow-up for more cool jazz licks for you. Okay, so without hesitation, let's begin. All right, folks, let's go over that phrase, okay? Here we go. That's the first one. Okay? So we have B, C, C sharp, A, F sharp, D sharp. Okay? Okay? Then we go to, which is a little D minor arpeggio. A, F, D. Okay? And then we do this here. What do we have here? We have B, slide up to the C, A, C sharp, A. Then we're off to this. Okay, so we have D sharp, F sharp, A, D, F, A, C, C sharp, A. Okay, and then we're off to this ending lick here too. Okay, so it's D, D sharp, D, C, A. Okay. All right. So that's the basic phrase there. And now I'm just going to show the chords so you can accompany that with. All right. So we have A7, then A diminished 7. Okay. Then to D minor. Then to A. Then to F sharp, diminished 7th, then to B flat major 7, and then to A7. Okay? All right, and there you have it, folks. I have sheet music and tabs coming as well, so you can look over that phrase, okay? So thanks again, and we'll see you soon. Hey folks, thank you so much for watching again. If you enjoyed this segment, please subscribe, throw me a like, leave me a comment. Once again, I'm going to mention my new album, Remember Me at Twilight, that's out worldwide, okay? So until next time, have yourself a great day, and I'll see you soon.